So this right here, guys, removing a lot of the weight because she's very busy. Busy bee. She chases too many
dreams,
but you have too many responsibilities at your school. So we're creating a lot of movement. It's really a wash and go. I used amazing product. I used the Tavines View glaze all over after really heavy highlights because her hair was really dark and in the roots, so came out perfect, you know. So I won't see her probably until September. I don't know, maybe August. I'm not sure. Keep your head straight, Marie and Mario. Mario. Yes. This creates a lot of bulk from the bottom part of the hair because a lot of the hair lands down, so it creates a lot of heavy weight. So what this one do is reduces some of the bulk, and also the hair piles up on the shoulder and so much heavy. This creates mobility and eliminates weight on the shoulders because she's keeping her hair really long, and she's, I don't know, 5'8", your height. So, and I do not want the hair to feel so heavy and so heavy right here, a lot of weight here. So create the gorgeous movement texture, guys. I took out a lot of the brassy tones and looks amazing, beautiful flow. And trust me when I say this, hair feels fantastic. Feels better than we started. And after doing full foil, whole head, 30 volume, obviously. So I do use amazing products, but at the end of the day, you know, you have to treat it. Otherwise, the hair is going to feel like straw. And using a lot of glaze and the treatment. And she will not be washing this hair for probably 3 days. Hopefully she'll listen and do what I say. This creates a lot of movement right here, guys, by keeping the hair long, but the layers really nicely blends together. That's the purpose of an excellent haircut by master. And I've been doing her hair quite some time now. So she told me, I trust you, do whatever you think. She doesn't hardly question me. But even so, I try to explain what I'm going to do, you know, what's our end goal. Same token, I respect the customer's wishes and wants, and want to make sure they live happy, because I work for myself, but I actually work for customers. So it's very important that customer satisfaction at my salon, and that's just the way I see everything I do. Make your appointment, come see us, send your friend, your cousin, your brother, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Please keep us in business. We appreciate the love, peace, and prosperity, and I appreciate all my clients and friends watching me all over. I know this video go viral, no question about it. But so yeah. We are in Johns Creek, Georgia. I have customers comes all over. Trust me, we have customers, they drive from other side of Buffalo, Rochester. They make sure they come see us before on their way to Florida. Customers from Franklin, Tennessee, same thing, Naples. One time a customer, he had an inner ear infection. He couldn't fly and he drove. I sent him a place, a man too. I sent him a hair salon in Orlando, but you know, this the end finishing touches. You know what I'm saying? So My undergraduate is hospitality, so that's where I started my journey in life. So you have to respect and understand where customers come from. Look at this gorgeous, Maria, mira, check it out. You have a lot of movement. I kept telling her she needs to show up to Manhattan, Times Square when I'm there, but she's been traveling all over the world except coming there. She actually wanted to one time, but we just couldn't coordinate.
Yeah, I'll be there next time. Okay. When are you going back?
Well, I'm going to go back next year, March.
March.
But okay. I'm thinking about going in summer. See, guys, how close up you can see where I started to, soften out from the root part, but it's nicely blended. So, and really there is no line or no bleeding on the hair product into the scalp. So I'm very cautious about that, even though I bring my foils touching the scalp. But I diffuse the color so well, and there's no, there is no market demarcation. Of course, when I started back in the days, I remember I went to, believe it or not, they gave me a black hair model to highlight, put a bunch of foils. I never forget that day, man, it was stressful. This was in the 1990s. And black hair. Of course, I got the job, and then I moved. And there is no mousse or hairspray in this hair. What does that mean? So the haircut is phenomenal. There is no mousse, I kid you not. What I put in your hair is the oil by Davines. It's oil, so I just blow dried it. But the haircut is very important, how nicely it shapes her face structure, bone, jaw, cheek, and her silhouette. And really amazing. That's the key factor of an excellent hair. Look at this. Look at this beautifully blended, Look at this gorgeous, you know what I'm saying? Complements her skin tone. She doesn't have to work so hard at it to get face to match the hair. And that means if it's not right, you put a lot of makeup. So the way I look at it, and I see her beautiful blue eyes, and the color has beautiful platinum tint to it, it harmonizes with her features and coordinates. It makes her look like in her, going to prom. Right? And your daughter's going to go to prom. Is it? She's going to go to prom or something?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, Mario said, designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. If you don't look good, we don't look good. Come see us. We make you look like a superstar, like Miss Marie Cruz. She is the best. She always sends me a lot of customers. I love her dearly. She even brings me perfumes. Don't worry about it. It's all good. I can't wear too much perfume because, not everybody likes the smell of a product. So my products smell like perfume. As you can smell, see the half Davines? This Rakiki oil is amazing.